Hey y'all, so welcome back to the Shell Shack. We're doing something way different because I got a surprise in the mail today and I had to share because it has to do with all of you all. We are doing an upgrade on the channel, so thanks to Mikey, I got a brand new DJI Osmo Action 4 camera to film our videos. Now this is being filmed currently on the GoPro because that's, I have to have one to, film. But you guys have probably noticed, like I kept telling you, oh, the video would cut out at odd times, and you might have seen that in the videos, like where something ends a little too abruptly, or something seems to be cut, and it's not that I'm doing it when I'm editing for you all. The camera is cutting out. So GoPro, you've kind of let me down here. Now I've used my GoPro, and I'm talking to you while I try to get this box open. I've used my GoPro when I was hiking the Florida Trail and stuff, and it was doing it to me and that was when it was almost new, and it was doing it to me then too. I just didn't want to, I guess, these are expensive. So and those videos, they had a very small following, so I wasn't really up to spending almost $400 on another camera. And especially when I was already out on trail, I would have had to stop at a town and get it, and it was a mess. Let's just say it was a mess. So I thought I would unbox this with you all and do a quick little review or viewing of this camera so you and I can see what it is together. And I'm so freaking excited. I had to include you all in on this. And this isn't the typical project videos or anything like that. So if you're not interested in seeing a new like action type camera or seeing what this type looks like, feel free to catch me on the next video. I apologize to those folks that aren't interested in anything like this. But for all of us tech folk, it's about the same size. It's a little smaller though. It's a scamp bit smaller than my GoPro. And I don't know what all these I have to figure out what all these little doodads do. But so here's some initial technical specifications on this camera. Like I said, it's the DJI Osmo Action 4. This, I got it as the combo pack with 50-piece accessory kit. And wow, okay. What is this? Anyway, while we're figuring this out, so I'll put the link to this camera in the description box below in case any of you are interested. This camera is a 4K resolution with 120 frames per second. It has a so this viewing, the aperture that captures your video is 1 by 1/3 inches, and so this is what actually captures the video, and it has a 155-degree wide angle lens on it. Now each battery that this comes with, because I got the combo, it comes with 3 additional batteries, but each battery gives you about 160 minutes of record time. Now compared to my GoPro, which I wasn't using the GoPro standard like name brand batteries, I was kind of using kind of an off-brand, which is probably my bad on that. But because the GoPro at the time was expensive and that's what I could afford. So I was getting about 20 minutes of record time on the GoPro. So I would have to change out batteries constantly, and that's why there was a lot of cuts and breaks in our videos, is I would keep having to change out batteries all the time, and I had to like cut the video in order to do that. Well, hopefully this will solve that issue. This is also waterproof, and I think it's down to like 60 meters, but that's like 180 feet, and I don't plan on going 180 feet anytime soon. It also has built-in image stabilization, and it says it has a dual full color screens. I'm guessing that's this screen and this screen. That's like the GoPro, if that's the case. So, and it has all these little slots and stuff, and I don't know what all those are for, so we'll have to figure that out. I guess this is the shock-proof case that it comes with. Okay. So, meh, that's not it. I'll have to figure this out. Anyways, I won't do that with you all. But apparently it has like a shock-proof little carry case thingy that, oh yeah, it does go in like this, that you can put it in, which protects the camera, which is awesome. So there we go. Now it's about the same size as the GoPro. So there we go. It has this battery, and I got the combo kit with all the accessories, which has 2 more batteries. So there's 1 battery. And these are all like little mounts and stuff. So it's a clip mount. So this actually, the bottom, somewhere, folds down and it slides into here, kind of like the GoPro, which I'll have to figure all these little accessories out, but I'm not going to bore you guys with all that. And if you want to see another video on this camera, or how all these accessories kind of go together, let me know and I'll be glad to do that, because we'll figure it out together then. But I figured I wouldn't bore you all with too much. This is a sticker, so you can mount it like that to something. Most of the time I have a clip that's above the table here that I use, and that is little washers and stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it back in its case so I don't lose anything. I'll have to read more about what all these accessories are. Charging cable, a screw. This when you hook the camera up, it goes through like that. So for instance, here's our setup. That clips to the camera, that clips to something, I think, and then the screw goes through both and holds your camera in place, so you can, and then you can tilt it as you need it. Yeah, I think these are clip-ins where you can, oh yeah, it is. Hey, there we go. We figured it out. Look at that. And then if you mount it, you can clip it, and then this screws in and holds it tight. So that's what that is, and a charging cable. And except for the directions, which I will read off camera, that's all that came in the main camera case. I got the 3-part kit that comes with on Amazon. They recommend, you get, customers also bought this with the camera. It has a camera lens and screen protector, which I'll put on. I do a lot of outdoor stuff too, aside from doing my resin projects in here. So I do do a lot of outdoor projects, and this winter I plan on hiking half of the Florida Trail, and so that I'll probably take this camera along with that, so that's cool. Now this is the charging case for this particular camera. So instead of getting off-brand batteries and off-brand whatevers like I did for my GoPro, I actually sprung and got the battery charging case. And if it's like the one I have, my other one, oh yeah, this is really cool, and it sits a lot flatter than my other one did. So the batteries slide down into here, and then it charges the batteries for you, and hopefully there's some kind of LED light that tells you kind of when these are all charged up. I hope so, we'll see. But that's that part. And then part of the combo accessory kit, oh, there's something in the back of this too. Let me see what's in the back. What's in the box? All right, another charging cable, because I don't have enough USB-C charging cables. So you get this. Now, how much of this am I actually gonna use? Maybe 10-15%, maybe. maybe. So you have a selfie stick, you have all the mounts, it looks like. I'm just kind of peeking at this real quick. This is a suction cup, so if you wanted to attach the camera to like the dashboard of your car, because filming myself going down the road sounds awesome. No, not really. So that's there. Selfie stick. We have, oh, another battery. How many batteries? One battery. So that's 2 total so far, and 3 total. So it's 1 battery that came with the camera plus 2 in the kit. So there's 3 total batteries. Cool. All kinds of stickums for all these mounts. Something. I don't know exactly. Clips and different things. All this, now if you look on the Amazon page, it does show you what all these different things are. So this accessory kit has an octopus tripod, it has a selfie stick, it has a wrist strap, a suction mount, which we did find that, a 360-degree clip mount, like alligator clip mount, a helmet extension rod and mount, a chest strap, which like for my hiking I could see using the chest strap. I don't wear helmets for anything, so I would never use that, but whatever. And a head strap, like a headlamp strap, which I think is this. That would be very awkward. I don't like even wearing headlamps, much less that. I think this is the helmet mount. So some of these are going to come out straight away and never get seen the light of day again. This is a floating selfie stick, so you hold it out and you take your pictures. I could see this if I was fishing or something on the kayak and I didn't want to put my camera in the drink. I could see doing that. All right. And our octopus tripod, which I could see coming in handy, even doing some of our videos here in the Shell Shack. So anyways, I'm not going to I can sit here and spend hours on doing this, but I'm not going to do that to you all. That's going to be the end of this video. If you liked the video, shoot me a like, give me a comment on, or if you have a question about this camera that I could answer, I'd be happy to. If you want to see a more in-depth review after we use this camera for a while to see what I think about it, let me know that too, because I won't bore you otherwise. And I will put the link to this camera in the description below. The bundle I got was $384.99 currently on Amazon. That price could fluctuate when you look it up, but that's what it's showing for me right now. So with that, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, and we'll see what our new camera looks like. Woohoo! So excited. All right, bye guys. Have a good one.